Are you tired of settling for coffee that just doesn't get the job done? Then you should be drinking Northwest Coffee. Northwest Coffee improves aspects of everyday life, like cleaning your room. Having trouble writing the 5-page paper due in 2 hours? Northwest Coffee is the solution. Northwest Coffee does more than just get the job done. Come in and control the narrative at Northwest Coffee Roasting. We open at 8 a.m. every morning and close at 7 on weekdays, 6 on Saturday, and 5 on Sunday.